Hello everyone, you're all welcome to Siddhartha Sinha vlogs. So you're watching the progression of the sketch of Netaji Subash Chandra Bose. In this sketch, I will be doing some watercolor work also. So I'm using 12 number brush and 8 number brush here. And you can see my palette and my bowl and myself is ready in order to progress the work. So first of all, I'm going to use a black color. I'm just going to pour the black color on the palette. So I'm just taking some water in the brush, and I'm just checking if I have taken much more water. Oh, actually guys, I would like to say that there is some issue with the camera of my handset, so it is taking more light here, so maybe throughout the video it might give some problems, so kindly bear with me. Yeah, you can see me working on this sketch on this painting. Yes, now it is okay again. So I am pouring the water in the area where I had shaded in my last video. If you have not watched my previous two videos where I had drawn as well as I had sketched, I had shown where the shading would be there. Then you can watch it from the description. I have shared the link there. So here I am pouring water. I'm just putting water in the areas where I want the shading to happen. Now you see why I am doing watercolor here. Generally I could have done I could have directly went for charcoal, okay, and I would have started the sketch. But somewhere I feel that if I put watercolor in the hair region or in some of the regions where there is shadow, then it helps in order to create it properly. Like, it helps to get a good result at the end of the day. For me it gives a good result. Now if any other artist have done it, I am not sure about it, but I like to do it. Whenever I sketch, I give the shading, I give the idea of shading, and then later what I do is I pour some watercolor. I do some watercolor work, and in this way it creates a kind of a layer to my sketch. And the next step, when I will be doing, I will be uploading another video for that. In this video I'm going to show how I'm putting the watercolor. You can see that the water area where I'm putting the color, it is simply spreaded, and it gives a very beautiful texture in this page. Now maybe because of the camera you are not able to understand it, but if you would have seen it live sitting beside me, then you'd have understood it. Although there is no problem, I'm just showing you the basic thing. So you can see I have simply diluted the black color. I'm not using much black. Simply I'm putting some water into the black, I'm diluting the color, and then I am applying it on the face. Because if you use a dark color, then there will be some patches which you will not be able to control, and probably at that time you will have to start it again, because at the end of the day this is going to be a sketch and I'm not going to paint. So definitely for that reason, when you're putting watercolor, then definitely you should be very careful in this regard. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that whenever I post videos you can get notified. And I would like to say that I post the videos of tutorials, and I have already posted few videos for principles and elements of art, if you have observed. So I used to post such videos for your knowledge, or the person who are really interested in art, in the field of art. Apart from that, I am just planning. I have also experimented with some techniques of teaching students as well, because one of my passion is teaching as well. I love to teach students. So students can be of any age. I don't mind if any age would like, if they would like to learn. So in case of art, if you ask me, I would say that there is no age limit for art. Yeah, although in the art institutes, and there are some institutes where you will find age limit, like 22 years would be the age limit for joining the art course. But I really find it really irrelevant, because for painting there should not be an age limit. Even Rabindranath Tagore started drawing at the age of 55, right? So even if you know about a Dutch artist, a Dutch painter, Vincent van Gogh, he's a very famous painter of the world. He also started his art career at the age of 28. Okay, and he had he lived till the age of 32 or 33, and till this time, from 28 years to 32 years, he had painted 2,000 paintings. So it is really great to see those people who have just crossed the barricade, or had broken the barricade of the society. So I also believe the same. If you are of any age, you are interested to learn drawing or painting, you can definitely learn it. I can teach you drawing, I can teach you painting. I will be sharing my email ID at the end of the video. You can mail me if you're interested to, because I feel that art is really a very beautiful tool through which you can control your emotions, you can be patient, and it will help you to overcome any form of depression if you have. So if you are interested to come out of such obsessions, then definitely you can contact me. I am always there to help you out. And in this channel, I am also planning to post few videos for the students of class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will take time, definitely it will take a time of 1 or 2 years maybe, but I will be starting it. I will be launching free courses where I will be making videos on the NCRT books or NCRT lessons or something in animation. I'm just planning an animation. I'm trying to make some animation videos. If everything goes well, you will find it very soon in this channel. So definitely subscribe to it. And apart from this, I will be sharing various knowledge whichever I come through. Whichever knowledge I would be getting, I will be teaching it to you people, whoever is watching my channel. So yes, I know to some extent I'm not having a good camera at this point of time. One day I will be having it, and I'm planning to provide the art and culture lessons to the whole world. So, and I feel that this is the best platform to share it. And who can help me in order to share that? Obviously you. If you like my videos, I would like to ask you to share my videos as well, so that other people can also get the knowledge, and let us share knowledge, let us share education. And if I talk about this sketch now, you can see that in most of the areas I have used the watercolor. In some of the region where probably in order to make any sketch, what we would have done is we would have simply smudged the charcoal or something. But because I want maximum light in his face, so that is the reason I decided to go for watercolor, so that I can cover long area, and also apart from that, I will be able to use the watercolor in order to give a very mild shade over the face. So that was the aim actually. If you can see, this process will be ended very soon. So I'm just making the hair area dark, because this will be one more guideline for me in order to sketch the work. When you start a process, it may not look so great, but gradually, with respect to time, the process changes into a very beautiful work, and this is something which is really satisfactory, and at least you yourself can satisfy your mind that, oh yes, I have really done a good job, and that is really great being an artist. So here I have simply flown the color, and now in this big area, after diluting the color, I will be adding it. So I need not to shade in these areas later on. Now I will be putting water in it so that it gets spread all over the surface. So this is the technique of shading. So guys, my work is ready. Now we will proceed ahead for the next step in the next video. Hope you like it, and thanks for watching.